Hello, XRP community, and welcome to a new update. Today we are looking at the latest developments in the market and the growing signs that whales are buying XRP at an extraordinary pace. On-chain data shows massive accumulation, with hundreds of millions of dollars in capital flowing in. This accumulation is happening right as we approach October, a month that has historically been one of the most bullish periods for the cryptocurrency market. At this moment, XRP is trading at $2.87. While it is not yet at $5 or higher levels, it is showing signs of recovery. Over the past 24 hours, XRP has gained about 3.5%, and on the weekly chart, it is up 2.18%, one of the few major assets in green. Bitcoin is holding steady around $112,000. Ethereum is at $4,130. Stellar Lumens has climbed by 4%, and Hedera has gained nearly 3% to trade at just over 21 cents. After a September marked by liquidations and low sentiment, the market is beginning to show renewed energy as we move into the final stretch of the month. But the real story is in the on-chain data. Both CryptoQuant and Santiment confirm that large holders have been accumulating XRP heavily during the dips. In fact, within the last 72 hours, whales have purchased approximately 120 million tokens. This accumulation came at a time when the broader market was bleeding, proving once again that the largest players use corrections as buying opportunities. Let's highlight one of the most notable transactions. A whale connected to Kraken executed a massive purchase of 17.5 million XRP, worth about $48.8 million, an average price of $2.78 per token. This transfer moved funds from Kraken to an unknown wallet, a classic sign of accumulation rather than short-term speculation. The numbers are clear. Whales are positioning themselves as the new quarter begins. October has historically been a strong month for crypto markets. While September often brings liquidations and corrections, October typically ushers in rallies and stronger momentum. The timing of these whale purchases suggests confidence that this historical pattern may repeat itself. We should also consider the macroeconomic backdrop. This week is filled with major U.S. economic data releases that could impact global markets. On Tuesday, job openings data will be released. Wednesday brings the ADP employment report and ISM manufacturing index. Thursday will deliver initial unemployment claims, and Friday caps off the week with non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. Each of these data points will provide insight into the state of the U.S. economy and may influence Federal Reserve policy on interest rates. Markets are paying close attention, and so should we. Meanwhile, public voices are also adding fuel to the discussion. Jim Cramer recently suggested that the fourth quarter will be bearish for crypto markets. Historically, his calls have often been met with the opposite outcome, and within hours of his statement, the market began to move higher. Many traders now view his bearish prediction as another contrarian signal that the fourth quarter may, in fact, be bullish. Putting all of this together, we have clear signals of accumulation, positive seasonal patterns, and upcoming macro events that could add volatility and opportunity. The key takeaway is that despite fear in the market, whales are buying. They are not waiting for clarity. They're using dips to increase their holdings. For everyday investors, this does not mean the price will instantly skyrocket, but it does show that the largest and most informed players see value in XRP at these levels. With Ripple continuing to expand its partnerships, and with October historically serving as a turning point for crypto markets, the stage is set for an important quarter. So the question is, do you think whale accumulation is the beginning of an October rally for XRP, or are we still in the middle of a long accumulation phase? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned later today for the second part of our coverage on Swift, Linea, and XRP, where we'll take a deeper look at the rumors and the facts surrounding those developments. That update will provide more clarity on one of the most sensitive topics in the community right now. Until then, keep an eye on the market, follow the data, and remember that the biggest moves often happen when sentiment is at its lowest. We'll see you in the next update.